Welcome back, Lad Warriors. Today we are going to take aim at the sneaky culprit in the world of fallacies, that is strawman fallacies. So, what is strawman fallacy? Imagine you are building a scarecrow to keep birds away from your crops. The strawman fallacy works in a similar way. Instead of addressing someone's actual argument, the fallacy creates a distorted, weaker version and then attacks the argument. It is setting up a scarecrow to distract the real culprit. Let's take an example. Someone argues, we should invest more in public transportation to reduce traffic congestion. A person using strawman fallacy might respond, so you want everyone to give up their cars and take slow, crowded buses everywhere? That's unrealistic and impractical. The fallacy here misrepresents the original argument. The person advocating public transportation never said everyone should give up their car. They simply highlighted importance of robust transportation system to the solution of the traffic congestion. Okay. Another example. Someone argues schools should focus on teaching critical thinking skills to prepare students for the modern world. A person using strawman fallacy might retort, so you want to throw out all math and science lessons and just teach students how to argue? That will not be useful for their life. Again, the response twists the original argument. The focus on the critical thinking skills doesn't mean neglecting core subjects like math and science. It simply emphasizes the importance of developing analytical and problem-solving abilities alongside traditional academic knowledge. So, how to identify the strawman fallacy? Here are some of the red flags to watch out for. First, exaggerated response. Does the response seem overly dramatic or too extreme compared to original argument? Number 2, misrepresentation of key points. Does response distort or ignore the central point of the argument? And number 3, focus on irrelevant issue. Does the response introduce new irrelevant ideas in the argument? Now, how do we deal it? Okay. If you encounter a strawman fallacy in the CLAT passage or the question, first, recognize the misdirection. Identify that the response is attacking a distorted version of the argument. Number 2, refocus on your original argument. Remind yourself of the actual point being made while it is important. Okay, and don't get distracted. Don't fall for those emotional manipulation or irrelevant points raised in the strawman response. Remember, the goal is to evaluate the strength of the argument and not a fabricated one. So that's all for the strawman fallacy. Stay tuned for the next episode where we will tackle another sneaky fallacy trying to trick you in the CLAT exam. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe our channel, hit the notification bell. Until next time, happy CLAT prep.